Welcome back to the shop. Today on the bench we got this Rawlings Gold Glove Elite trapeze model. It's got a busted heel right here. We're going to stitch that one up, but first we're going to give him a quick bath. We're all set up here on the bench. We have some palm olive and some warm water and some woolite to clean this. Again, we want to be at a pH neutral level when we start putting soaps and conditioners on here, and we find that to be the best. As soon as we get done with that, we'll go ahead and replace the busted lace, and then we're going to condition it with Maven Glove Balm. And before we get going, I'm going to just share something. So, unless you're wearing a batting glove, and I don't even know if you wearing a batting glove inside your glove is still a thing. It was in the 70s and 80s. Let me know below if people still do that today. I don't know. I've never done it. But your hand sweats, and it's got, salt and things like that, and it damages the inside leather. So that was when I was playing Little League in the 70s. I said, yeah, wear a glove to prevent a batting glove to prevent your glove from getting destroyed on the inside. But if you condition the inside of your glove, like you should do the outside with a high-end conditioner like Maven, keep the conditioner there, it'll keep it from cracking. So if you look inside this one, I don't know if you can see the detail, but it kind of got a lot of dry rot from this gentleman's palm sweating and then not being conditioned properly. Now, if it was conditioned properly, this could last a lifetime. It's not bad. I think it's still savable, but just something to keep in mind. All right, with that, let's get to work. Okay, we completed another one. As you know, the heel was busted on this one. It's all stitched back up. We did condition the inside of the liner here. Feels all right. I think he's going to be all right. I think we may be able to save this one as long as he keeps conditioning the inside of the glove. Looking good, cleaned, conditioned. Let's take a good look at this. Yeah, not so bad. That's what. Yeah, we tightened up the fingers for him also, and we took, I don't know, 4 inches of slack out of the fingers, so it's real nice and stable now. So no excuses if you can't catch a fly ball. Just kidding. Awesome. Again, appreciate you sticking around to the very end of this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.